Wait, what? Hey Wario, you can star. Hey Wario, if you roll a 1, you can star steal. Oof.
Actually, no. He can steal enough coins and make
Oh
sure
yeah,
that
steal from
he can get
Luigi.
it.
Nice.
Oh my god. Wow.
Gamer.
That's bullshit.
What gamer?
I think he's committing to what is known as.
This is a game of Mario Party. Let's go.
Either you gotta go past it. Probably.
Yeah, I don't have shit either, but who cares? Who cares?
I'm gonna buy a star with my 1 coin.
Oh, bounty. Oh, I thought one more.
If it was a bad, but then Luigi might have got the star from that, so.
One more, man.
Yeah. This is a tense game. Also, if we can, we need to sabotage.
I wasn't sure about it.
Yeah.
I got 1 coin.
Sad boy hours.
There goes. Hey, he gets an item though, so that's something.
I got 1 coin. I plan on using it.
Bitch.
Ooh, Bluebell, magic land with a Bowser suit. That could be good.
What a. God damn it. You know, I think the Bowser shoot should have had 2 dice blocks.
It should have been the equivalent of a golem.
How many coins does it take again?
Hmm?
How many coins does the Bowser suit take when you pass him?
He just let that one happen, didn't he?
I cannot believe this just happened.
Yeah, I thought that was the easy one.
That's a magic lamp. That's so stupid.
Yeah, whatever. Ooh, guess what time it is?
It also gives you some money there as well, so that's why.
Alright.
Mario.
Yeah, I guess you have to. Like, I don't mind if you sandbag me, because I know it's optimal.
Oh, we can't sandbag. Everybody can just target Mario.
Exactly.
Fuck him up.
Fuck, it's like, fuck him up. Fuck him up. Come on, fuck him up. Really? I just stole one. This shit is close.
Luigi's gotta go! Okay, honestly, I am doing terrible.
So am I.
No, like, I don't...
Oh, we tied. That's crazy. I still won't have enough for those, so you're fine. Wait, do I have enough? I have no idea actually.
Well, now
Okay, no, never mind. I definitely have enough.
You got terrible math. Holy.
Yeah, I do. But hey, what if you land on another one?
Can't you get coins?
Oh god. Oh god. Yeah, there's some coins in here.
Yes, I think Mario would have been fine anyway.
Also, oh god, I just realized. Platform perils on Wi-Fi. This game always lags, along with Toad's bandstand for some reason.
God, I'm dropping frames like crazy on this minigame. It's just so fun.
The input lag is gonna murder all of us, and we know it.
It's bad. I do not like this.
Oh, that's
Bye,
a
Mario.
great start. That's a wonderful start, isn't it? Hey, the frame rate's getting back to normal now.
You know what? If I can just make it to the end without dying, that's something.
That is an achievement within itself. Very true.
No way!
It seems like I'm the only bad player here. Oh, I take that back. I take that back times 2. Come on, Donkey Kong. Don't mess us up.
You got it.
Let's go!
He got it.
He was gonna
I won! Who's the real winner?
I know, it's you.
It's probably Mario because he's gonna get a star. Wait, Mario moves
But
last, so.
Yeah, but I guess who has
I don't
68
really
coins
see any
and
way
can
to
afford
turn
us.
him, though, unless,
Listen to, guys, I'm not too happy about this because, guys, guess who has enough to both buy a skeleton key and steal a star?
Not me.
Thanks for pointing that out. I didn't
Yeah.
remember that.
You're welcome, by the way.
Like that.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, it's not gonna matter that much, is it?
You're moving 7, so
Just one off of the battle game.
what's down?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, you go back. You hit the docks.
Count that. Shit.
Yo, did it give me a choice?
No, you don't have a choice.
No, it's
Choice.
not a good
Land, baby.
I didn't get a choice. Huh?
Give me a sec real quick, please. Yes, sir? That's paper. Yeah, they said to bring it next week.
I'm so silly. If I get some more money, skeleton key, steel star,
Guys, and buy star, yeah. We gotta target Wario now, like, yeah, we gotta go after Wario now.
No, it costs 80 coins in total to do this, I think.
Let me check.
It's 10 for
I land
skeleton.
on that. Wait, hang on. I'm checking all my spaces.
Wait, what is the star?
Ours, pass move.
Past Boo, huh?
Okay, so hi Luigi.
Okay.
Nice to see you
I
there
think I have
too.
Well, no, there's a swamp right there. Can't we just take swamp?
No, but it's closer, so I'm going that way. But I need to win the next minigame though, or else it's all for nothing.
Actually, I have an idea, but it really depends on just how this next one goes. But it
You know,
also
you guys
involves
can try to
winning.
sabotage me. You guys can try to sabotage me.
No, I'm not trying. I'm playing for. I'm just gonna try to play to win because I need money.
True. If you're playing to win, then don't jump.
I'm not.
Like, I'm just
worried,
saying,
I'm not
man.
jumping.
Oh no!
I'm just. Oh, yep. Yep, that's what I said. Don't jump.
I couldn't! I got jumped up!
Bruh. Oh my god.
I thought it was dead.
God.
I have
I
no
should be
idea,
dead there,
man.
but the game
I
was
had to
medium.
jump just to get on the platforms.
Oh god. Oh, I live. Nice. I don't oh my god, that one's so fast. That one's so fast.
The outrageous DWB.
Well,
Wow. How did I get so much money? Oh, I won that one battle game. That's right.
Yeah.
Wario can't spend his money fast enough.
okay.
No, I'm
True.
Wario.
Oh yeah.
Consider this.
Oh yeah, you can always just boo. Oof.
Not a great roll considering it was a 3 dice, but I think you made boo. Oh, just barely.
Yeah.
You made.
Okay, I think we can all agree that this is the optimal strategy. No
Yeah.
hard feelings?
My money! My money!
Ah, 21 coins is pretty good.
It's his money now. What are you gonna do about it?
Steal it back. It's boo.
True. That's very true. I don't even have enough to afford a skeleton key, so yep, it looks like I'm sitting out on this one. That's
Place
sad.
your plan. That was why you need.
Where is the star even? Oh, it's right there. I didn't realize it was right there.
Didn't I just say it was past boo like 3 minutes ago?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
man.
did, but I didn't realize how much past Boo.
Wario, I think you might want to maybe low roll so you can. Oh yeah, you should. I mean, DK, you could always just steal the star.
You went on
Wario's.
time.
Do it.
It's chance time
do
if you
it.
open it. It's
Yeah.
not like you've got much to lose.
Yeah. I think the only one who's really got that much to lose is me right now.
Yeah,
going
we're
to be
talking
all
about
four
like trade coins.
Come on! Oh no!
Oh,
Thank God. Oh.
oh no.
He doesn't have many coins anyway, though. Luigi only has 4 coins, though. That's not too bad. Yeah.
That's just
Could have been worse. Could have been a lot worse, you know.
how could it be worse?
Honestly-
He's at 0-0 now.
Okay, but like now wouldn't be the worst time to aim for.
Yeah,
Well,
like,
I don't have
literally
shit
nothing worse
now.
could happen to Luigi. He had the best of losing some of his coins.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm
Dude, aim to
blind.
Bowser's face. You
I'm
can
blind.
do it
Don't-
really fast.
I'm blind, don't look at me.
Can I look at controls real quick?
Up and up.
Oh yeah, we can always
up
pause
and
the
down.
game at the start.
Up and down, up and down. That's it,
Up
and
speeds
down.
you up and down speeds you down. And that's it.
I spun out, of course. Oh wait, oh, I'm not Luigi. I thought I was Luigi for some reason.
Did you?
Yeah, I did. But I thought I spun out, but I didn't.
Or I am terrible at this one.
So am I.
Oh, I spun out.
Like I swear, I am about to spin out. Yep.
Like, I did pretty well considering I was looking at the wrong character for like the first quarter of the track.
Yeah.
Okay, now that's just showing off.
Who cares? I think he gets